All right, guys. Paul, Beverly, and Daisy here on the Loop Princess, week 14. And we got a lot of projects done this week. But first of all, I want to thank Bob here. He was on the Virginia Hawkeye. That boat has completed the loop, and we've been picking their brain. But we had his 70th birthday party on the dock here yesterday, actually. So it was a lot of fun. And we enjoyed talking to them and the people out here. There's quite a few people that have completed the loop or in the middle of the loop right now in this marina, so it's been cool talking to them. It was a very busy week. It was very cold this week and rainy, and so we had to do some inside projects, and so one of them that I did do is cleaned out all the old wiring in the upper helm station, and then I installed dry deck throughout all the storage compartments. And Beverly helped me with both of those projects. Actually, she had to. And the dry deck, though, I think it's going to work great, don't you, babe?
I think so. I really like it. I used it in a few areas, and I think it's going to work nicely. We'll find out.
Yeah, but I think it gives you the airflow underneath there and keeps the moisture at bay and stuff like that. So that's why we did that. So another big project that I got done this week was installing the solar system. It is 100% up and running, and couldn't be happier with the system. We've got the Vectron in there, and just an amazing system, and it's going to outperform what our needs for this boat. I did order new engine parts this week from American Diesel. They just provided the transmission coolers last week. You guys know I told you that the American Diesel came out and replaced those. And then this week we decided to go ahead and change out the oil coolers and the raw water pumps, just because I don't want to have any problems, and it's just maintenance issues, and they're all zeroed out, so they'll have 0 hours on them, and we know where that's at, especially if we ever want to resell or anything like that at all. So I'm glad that is done. I did install a marine radio at the upper helm station. It didn't have one up here when I bought the boat, so I had to get that installed. And then I filled out for the Nebo app. The Virginia Hawkeye helped us with all of that. That was cool. So that's how we're going to do our tracking. And then I may buy the little device too that I think it just talks to the satellite to relay our signal, and we can use it as a distress signal. And that's probably the way we're going to go. The last thing we did for the week here is we went and pumped out as our usual. We do that every week, and it gives me practice with the boat, which I think I'm getting the handling of the boat down pretty good now, aren't I, babe?
Very well.
Yeah.
Very well.
And today was a lot of wind, and so it worked out well, because I need to be able to handle the boat in just about any situation. And I pulled it in forward in the slip and backwards in the slip, and when we pulled it forward in there, we added our anchor chain. So we've got 200 feet of anchor chain, and then we ran it through there and made sure that it was all it works on the windlass properly and everything like that. So that's another one we chalked off this week. So we're getting closer and closer to completing, and we're both getting excited here. We've talked to our buddy boat. They're getting ready. We're talking about it. We're closed to bring and stuff like that. So I think we're all getting very excited about leaving here, and it's going to happen here shortly. We're planning still right now, probably somewhere right around that March 15th, that me and Bev will be leaving Homeport Marina and heading out on the loop, officially starting the loop. Anyway, Paul, Bev, and Daisy, peace out. Until next week. Thank you, guys.
Beverly and Daisy from the Loop Princess.
Thank you so much for watching. Here's to salt under your keel and safe voyages. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button.
Thank you.